In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data. Whether you're looking to dig deeper into your web traffic, present findings to stakeholders, or simply keep a record of your analytics, exporting your data is a crucial step. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to the left menu of your Google Analytics dashboard. Here, you'll find various options available, but your focus will be on either the Reports or Explore sections. Both of these sections provide rich data insights that you can analyze and, more importantly, export. Now, the next step is much like an intuitive click. Open the report or exploration table that you're interested in. This is the data you'll be working with and extracting for your needs. You might want to take a quick glance over your selection to ensure it contains all the metrics and dimensions you need. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, direct your attention to the top right of the screen. Here, you'll notice an icon that resembles a share button. Go ahead and click on this share icon. This essential step will lay out multiple options for saving and sharing your report or exploration table with others. After clicking on the share icon, a new set of options will present themselves before you. You'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to download your file. The available formats include CSV, PDF, or the option to export directly to Google Sheets. Each format has its own advantages, depending on your use case. For instance, CSV files are great for further data analysis in software like Excel, whereas PDFs are ideal for static presentations. Exporting to Google Sheets allows for collaborative work or further manipulation of data online. Once you select your preferred format, the process diverges slightly depending on your previous choice. If you opted for a CSV or PDF, these files will be downloaded directly to your device, easy as pie. On the other hand, if you chose to export the data to Google Sheets, the data will automatically open in a new Google Sheets document, stored within your Google Drive. And just as a quick reminder, it's important to be aware of the limits that might affect your export. For CSV files, you can include up to 100,000 rows of data, which is typically more than enough for comprehensive analysis. However, if you're extracting data from an exploration, you might be capped at around 5,000 rows, meaning you may need to refine your data selection before exporting. In summary, exporting data from Google Analytics is a straightforward process once you know your way around the platform. With these tips, you'll easily extract valuable insights to share and analyze further. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy analyzing your newly exported Google Analytics data.